Oh, real danger here. Very good battle there, terrific to watch.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get the shot away.
Goal! Juventus! The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish. Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Ronaldo comes out on top in a really physical duel. There's some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it.
Can't hide away from how important that was.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, wonderful effort, all by himself.
Cristiano Ronaldo can really show some outlandish skills, which is all
with relative ease. Ronaldo puts it... Cristiano Ronaldo! It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
Juventus really are in the ascendancy here, and they know they have to register while that's the case.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Decent progress down the left.